kaibigan. Ibibati. What's up? Wasabi. So, we're off to see the Wizards at Walter Reed again. I swear we should have like recliners with embroidered names on it, you know, special assigned seating since you pretty much live there 3 to 4 days a week.
All we gotta do is receive mail there once and we're good, I think.
I know, right? Set a presidency at Walter Reed. We live here. So we're off to have Henry's going to go through a minor procedure this morning or this afternoon.
Yep, robo-spine.
Yeah.
Engage.
So if it goes well, then later on they'll do a more permanent procedure and take care of that. So, but this is just to see if it actually takes, if it works. It's kind of like a test drive. But
maybe I'll get superpowers when they do this. Be a giant mistake, and all of a sudden I'll be like Galactus,
like Cyborg or whatever, you know, or RoboCop. Well, no, that's not too much. But anyways,
I was gonna be happy with, you know, like Spider-Man or Superman or
yeah,
you know, something like that, and go through.
I'm really disappointed in DC or Doc Ock that has the spine thingy.
That would be cool.
But
they are working on exoskeletons. I'd gladly be the first one that they do it with.
I'd never be the first. Never be the first. Like every time a company comes out with something new, I never buy the first generation of them because they're always having to come out and work out the kinks and the issues that first come out with the first generation of them. I usually wait until the second or third one.
Did you ever notice? There's no more iPods anymore.
Yeah, they got rid of them.
There's no more.
And just like in the iOS software, when you made it with your computer, they no longer have that whole setup. They got rid of it, where it tells you like your data storage and all that stuff. That whole mainframe, they got rid of it.
Yep.
I don't like that. I really didn't like that.
They still make iPod shuffles, but that's the only one they make.
They got rid of it.
Get rid of the shuffle too?
Yeah, they got rid of all of it. Your phone is now all of it in one.
Yeah, but my shuffle is smaller. I can put it on my body and go.
Well, that's why we still have ours. I'm starting to call around because March, April timeframe is when all the other parks start opening, and they'll start taking reservations for summertime, and that's when I need to start being on the ball to get us into reservations. So, yeah. In comes the consistency where travel starts becoming very on demand, and especially with the rise of prices for RVing, especially in the National Capital Region, it has gotten insane.
Yeah, $65 a night.
Yeah, and now you might go, well, that's really not bad, but there is, in our park that we're at right now, there is no weekly or monthly discount. Oh, Smarty Pants is out of the picture right now. We're dealing with repair work, and getting stuff in from out of state shipped to us has been kind of a trial. But we finally got both boxes in, so now we're just trying to get our smart car repaired so we can kind of lay off of using diesel. This will be my first day driving home. I am 30 days post-op as of tomorrow. So this will be my first time driving. Yay. So I'm going to be taking it slow and easy. So a little bit nervous, but we'll be fine. We're hoping that this procedure will show that the device that they're going to use will help minimize or drop the pain rating from 12 to at least like a 3-4 range. So his enjoyment of life and activities will be more enjoyable. So let's keep your fingers crossed, because if this works, and what's going on is an eye-opener to many people that was never offered, and well, to us, and nobody ever expected. We've never heard of it before.